In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook Microsoft 365 2025. We'll take a calendar you already have in Google Calendar and bring it into Outlook so your events show up in one place. This is a one-way subscription, which means Outlook will display updates from Google automatically over time, but you'll still edit those events in Google. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account that holds the calendar you want to bring over. On the left, find your calendar under My Calendars. Hover over its name and click the three dots to open the options menu. From there, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you to the configuration page for just that calendar, not your entire Google account. Scroll until you see the section called Integrate Calendar. Here you'll find different links you can use to connect this calendar to other apps. Look for the secret address in iCal format. This private link exposes all the events on your calendar, so treat it like a password and never share it publicly. If your organization has disabled it, you might only see a public address. In that case, make the calendar public intentionally or contact your admin. When you're ready, click the copy icon next to the secret iCal address. If a confirmation or warning appears, click OK to proceed. Now switch to Outlook Calendar on the web within Microsoft 365. In the calendar view, look for the Add Calendar option. Select Add Calendar, then choose Subscribe from Web. This tells Outlook to keep checking the link you provide and pull in changes on a schedule. Paste the iCal address you copied from Google into the URL field. Give the calendar a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance, like Google Personal or Team Schedule. Pick a color and, if available, a charm to visually distinguish it from your other calendars. These visual settings don't affect your events. They just help you organize your view. When everything looks good, click Import. Outlook will connect to the Google link, fetch your events, and display them alongside your Outlook calendars. The initial sync can take a minute or two, and future updates may not appear instantly. Give it some time. Remember, events you see from this subscription are read-only in Outlook. To change them, edit the original in Google Calendar. That's it. You've successfully subscribed to your Google Calendar in Outlook Microsoft 365, keeping your schedule visible across both platforms without duplicating or manually exporting files.